First move e4, black replay e5. White second move f4, king's gambit, bishop c5, f into e5, not a good move. Black counter play, queen h4 check, ending threat, queen capture e4, cover the check, queen need to cover the check, queen capture rh1, gain a material, black is in game. Game 2, e4, e5, f4, king's gambit, accept variation, knight f3, cover the check, knight c6, e5, knight h5, knight c3, d6, bishop c4, thread the f7 weak pawn, d5, knight d5, queen h4, check, king f1, bishop e6, avoid the f7 check, bishop capture bishop, knight g3 check, h capture g3, rook loss, so king move, g1, bishop c5, brilliant move, black stop the check, d4, this was not a good move, bishop capture, d4 pawn check, queen capture, bishop only move, knight e2, fork, only possible move, knight capture knight, king trap, this position, queen trap or king trap. Anyway, black lost the game, white winning this game. If you like this video, give me a like, share our friends, give a comment, subscribe to Royal Chess Club YouTube channel.